Looking for a power cord that combines reliability with safety? The Tripp Lite 3 feet 18 Aruban Florins standard power cord is designed to extend your PC or peripherals power connection effortlessly. It's a durable, no-fuss solution that keeps your devices powered without compromise. This model, P004003, features AC14 connector on one end and AC13 on the other, making it perfect for linking devices with AC14 input to your existing power setup. Whether you're powering a UPS, surge protector, or network device, it adds 3 feet of dependable reach where you need it most. Why length matters. In busy server rooms or home offices, outlets aren't always conveniently placed. This cord fills that gap with flexibility while maintaining safety and quality. It's built to ensure your equipment stays powered without the risk of faulty connections or hazards. The cord's 18 Aruban Florins wire supports up to 10 amps, ideal for most standard computer and network gear. Plus, it meets all standard 817, a strict safety certification that guarantees durability and resistance to electrical risks. This isn't just a cable, it's a safeguard for your setup. Unlike cheaper alternatives, the P004003 is built for longevity. Its robust connectors withstand frequent plugging and unplugging without loosening or wearing out. That means fewer interruptions and less worry about power failures caused by worn cables. Users across the U.S. consistently report strong performance in everyday office and network environments. Though it's priced a bit higher than budget brands, the quality and safety benefits make it a smart investment. One customer even praised its solid feel, noting it's sturdier than many other options. Beyond performance, this power cord supports environmental responsibility. It complies with RoHS standards, minimizing hazardous materials. For buyers who care about sustainability, this adds extra value to a product that's already built to last. If you manage a UPS, PDU, or surge protector, this cord integrates seamlessly, extending power connections without compatibility issues. Switching to the Tripp Lite cord means peace of mind, knowing your devices are connected safely and reliably, reducing downtime and protecting your equipment. Tripp Lite backs this product with a lifetime warranty covering defects in materials and workmanship. That kind of confidence means you're protected long-term, not just for a few months after purchase. If you've dealt with cheap cords that fray or fail quickly, this upgrade is worth considering. Don't settle for less when powering your devices. The Tripp Lite P004003 power cord offers extra reach, solid construction, and safety standards you can trust. If durability, safety, and environmental care matter to you, this cord deserves your attention. Explore how the Tripp Lite 3 feet 18 Aruban Florins standard power cord fits into your setup. Reliable power connections start with the right cable, and this one delivers on quality, performance, and peace of mind. Try it when you're ready for a power cord that won't let you down.